Hello, friends. It's Martha Blessing from marthablessing.com, and I'm sharing in this video today a little bit more information about what are the light integration keys, what I call the unity keys. When I started channeling light language and started channeling soul light healing holograms and healing grids, I also started to get these. I want to say they're mantras because they're not really mantras, but I want to say they're mantras in that they're a short phrase, right? They're not a long phrase, but they're a short phrase. So if you've been on any of my Wednesday night sessions or you've been to any private one-on-one coherent sessions, things like that, you know that I channel light language. And sometimes those sessions are 20 minutes, 30 minutes, they can go on. And they're also on the YouTube channel, right? And so this is a little bit different. They come through, they are a different resonance, a different purpose, and a different frequency. And that's what I want you to understand because I do post them here weekly on my Facebook page. In order for you to understand why do you want to listen to them, why do you want to use them, that's why I created this video. In our integration of our true self, of our light body, of our higher self, our spirit self that does not know illness, does not know pain, does not know lack or scarcity, our true essence of our 5D higher self embodied in this physical reality is a very high frequency. Right now, for a lot of us, we are in the pain body. We are in this heavy, dense frequency. We have been for centuries, not just decades, but centuries. And it's been passed down and passed down and passed down. Those of us that are empaths, healers, light workers, star seeds, highly sensitives, it has been challenging for us on this earth plane to live in these bodies sometimes. And that's part of what has created the pain and the symptoms and the illness and the sickness and why medicine doesn't work. And even the holistics, we are in a completely new paradigm for healing. So the levels and the days of just go plop on someone's table and they're going to fix it, that was moving around energy. It was managing symptoms and energy. It was not clearing the core cause. The core cause is what's in the soul's lens, these imprints and distortions that are struggle, survival, and sacrifice, right? Those are particularly heavy and dense frequencies that we're holding in our soul body. Our soul didn't come to do this, but when we separated, we lost that light body. We lost the truth in the separation when we came in. What do the light keys do? If you can imagine, there is this heavy, dense body in form, and there is also a light body. Part of my work is that as I channel, I am channeling grids, right? The grids come to me, through me, and many times they're just in a client session or in the Wednesday night groups, they will lay like a blanket of love and healing and peace. And it's a grid, but it's like this soothing, calming, loving blanket. It's the truth of who we are, right? Of source and creation. And that blanket is like a grid, a lattice, and it also has little woven pockets of energy. So as this gets interfaced, onto us, onto the earth, like wherever I'm at, these grids become integrated. They place this, and then the keys, these integration keys, what I call the unity key, it's to bring the union. It's like this dormant but active grid of light, and it has these little solar packets, so to speak, of energy that can come and that can open and that can, mind you, all of this work happens at the below the surface, like at the soul level. So it's not like you're getting a Reiki treatment and you feel something, or an acupuncture needle and you feel the energy move. A lot of times this is very, very subtle. But you may also notice, you may also feel tingling or numbness as things activate, or pain might leave your body, and it's a high vibration is moving it, and it can feel intense as it's leaving the body, right? It's making room for this unity of your spirit self into this soul body to clear out the sacrifice, survival, and struggle imprints that the body is holding that's so heavy and dense, that's causing the symptoms the chronic symptoms, the pain, the anxiety, the depression, and the recurring unwanted patterns that are repetitive over and over and over again. So it's clearing those things out. So you will find the integration keys on the Facebook page, and it'll be a short phrase. Here's how you can work with them. I say these phrases, and it could be something like Shunta Kunda Manda Karakia. That's it. Shunta Kunta Mona Karakia. Shunta Kinta Mona Karakia. I'm going to repeat it several times, and you can either listen to it and or you can repeat it, right? You can use it as your mantra. You can take it. You can just listen to it, right? Wherever you are. How they come in and the way they come in is they are always calibrated to the collective. So in a lot of my sessions and the light library and things like that on the website, they're specific to ailments or prosperity or things that we want to bring in. These are a little bit different in that they are just in the moment. They are just, if you land on one, they are numbered. It's like key number 1, key number 2, key. That's just in when they came in. They are always for the collective. They are always in real time. And they are always for what it is that we need in the moment and what's going on and what we're clearing and how the Arcturians and then also the other guides that I channel, light guides, are Irianda. Those are solar codes. And so it may be that the earth is adjusting. It may be the Schumann resonance or something is shifting and changing. It could be a key that's going to help us integrate those newer energies, those frequencies on earth so that we're not having so much like headaches and migraines and all that kind of stuff, right? Anxiety, insomnia, as the codes are coming in. So those are what the unity keys and the light integration keys are for. Please follow, come back often, listen to these. They're completely free. This is the best place for me to facilitate them and to deliver them to you. So I welcome you to come back often and enjoy the integrations. And I look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.